That we heard about was that KKR is all set to invest up to 750 crores in Dalmia Cement Ventures, and this, remember, is the biggest PE venture in the Indian cement industry. Pankaj Poddar is standing by to give us more details on what's happening with the deal and what's happening with the stock as well. Pankaj, it's down 4.5% today.
Well, Sonia, if you just look at the stock reaction first to this weekend news of 750 crore investment in Dalmia Cement by KKR, we'll see that the stock opened up 5%, but then just slipped in and has really not managed to recover. The stock is still down in red, even with the volumes on the counter looking quite high. Well, just looking at the volumes of about 2.5-3 lakhs that we've seen so far versus a 10-day average of about 50,000 odd crores, it does give a sense that people knew that something is coming, and now that the news has come out, the reaction did happen of a 5% uptick move. Most of the people are coming out and really just selling out this counter. But just looking at the deal, KKR is likely to invest about 750 odd crores in Dalmia Cement Venture. This would be largely for a 20% stake. Just doing a basic math, it's valuing the Dalmia Cement company, which is a subsidiary of the current listed company, at about 3,750 odd crores. The current market cap of the company is slightly close to about 2,000 odd crores. So just goes to show what is the sort of valuation they've given. Just looking in terms of what is the sort of valuation they've given in terms of per ton, EV per ton, we look at close to about 110 is what they've given, $110 is what they've given on per EV per ton for this particular company. The valuation seems to be quite reasonable.
Right, Pankaj.
For this particular company.
Okay, Pankaj, afraid I've run out of time completely. Thanks so much for giving us details on that. We'll slip into a short break on that note, cover up some more movers and shakers after the break, get you a snapshot of the commodity space as well.